Good evening and welcome to Edu News 360. Today's topic is the ongoing debate between online learning and offline learning among students and teachers. Since the pandemic, many schools and universities have continued using digital learning platforms. While some students believe online learning is more flexible and convenient, others argue that traditional face-to-face learning is still more effective for communication and understanding. So let's hear more from our education expert. Thank you for joining us today. Can you introduce yourself?
Of course, my name is Al-Mukarrama and I am an education observer who studies student learning habits and classroom interaction.
So many students are still debating whether online learning or offline learning is better. What do you think?
I think both methods have advantages and disadvantages. Online learning is flexible because students can study from anywhere. It also helps students access more digital resources such as videos, online articles, and educational platforms.
So online learning can make studying more practical?
Yes, especially from students who live far from school or have busy schedule. Online classes can have transportation time and cost.
But some students still prefer offline learning. Why is that?
Because face-to-face learning allows direct interaction between teachers and students. Students can ask questions more easily, focus better, and communicate directly with classmates.
Are there any challenges in online learning?
Definitely, poor internet connection, distraction at home, and lack of motivation are common problems. Some students also feel isolated because they do not interact socially as much as is offline classes.
That's very interesting. Thank you for sharing your opinion today.
Thank you for having me.
I believe online learning is better for modern students. It's flexible, efficient, and gives students access to unlimited learning materials. Students can study anywhere and anytime. Online learning also improves digital skills, which are important for the future.
I think I disagree. Offline learning is more effective because students can communicate directly with teachers and classmates. In a classroom environment, students are usually more focused and disciplined. Social interactive is also important for emotional and communication skills.
That's true, but online learning allows students to become more independent and responsible. Technology is becoming part of everyday life, so students should adapt to digital learning systems.
However, not all students learn effectively through screens. Some students need direct guidance and classroom interaction to fully understand lesson. Offline learning creates a stronger learning atmosphere.
Both online learning and offline learning have their own strengths and weaknesses. The best method may depend on students' needs, learning styles, and situation. So thank you for watching Edu News 360. See you next time.
See you next time!